Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, we are going to address few questions asked by customers, uh, addressing their challenges and how effectively Jainam Software can be used to manage and grow their business. So let's get started. One of the customers has asked basically how Jainam Software can be used to manage their business. And currently they are using uh, Excels, Excel sheets, spreadsheets to manage their credit society business. So, friends, Excel is good when you are just like starting and very small company and have been managing a couple of customers. But when customers increase and your the loans, deposits, transactions, repayments will go up, then definitely you will not be in position to manage in Excel. You need a better software which has the accounting capabilities along with deposit and loan management features. So let's get started and see why Excel is not capable to manage your business. We can see here few challenges that we face in Excel. One is a data security issue. Data security is something in Excel, you have one customer record and you want to provide that few people should not edit the customer record or the some other people in your company should delete or modify customer record or loan or repayment. So that level security is not provided in Excel. Maintainability issue. When you manage your data in Excel, there would be a lot of Excels that you'll have to maintain. And definitely with growing data, you'll not be in position to scale your business actually. So maintainability will be a big challenge if you follow that. Then multi-user, multi-locations, definitely because Excel is kept like offline. There are a few versions where you can also maintain that online with providing the security to multi-user, but definitely if you consider a typical accounting software, it cannot be compared in Excel or it cannot be managed in Excel. Then if you consider multi-user, again in multi-user you need to have a security at each and every point actually, that as I mentioned earlier, that data security. So those things you cannot manage in Excel. Consistency issue, uh, because Excel is not a relational system actually. So you cannot have a lot of relational data structure feature in Excel, and hence the issues will start with the consistency. For example, uh, if you want to uh, capture the uh, status of the loan actually, so whether the loan is closed, not closed, partially closed, a lot of features actually. So it cannot be managed in Excel because uh, there are a lot of calculations and complex logics required to be implemented if we are dealing with deposits and loans actually, which cannot be managed in Excel. The large data management, Excel is good if you have a few records, but when uh, if your business is growing exponentially, then dealing with Excel will be challenging. And collection synchronization is a big issue. Uh, like uh, if you are doing field collection, then what you'll have to do, you'll have to basically copy Excel to the field collection staff, and then by end of the day synchronize with Excel. So synchronization of the collections and the repayments of the customer will be a challenge there. These are very basic features I spoke about, but in addition to this, like SMS delivery, then digital payment, and automatic document verification, auto debit, mobile payments. There's so many features you cannot simply manage in Excel. So that's all about Excel. Now let's see what are the typical Excels used by customer and how we can effectively implement that in Jainam software. So I'm going to open one of the Excels here.